Hey guys, hi everyone. Just a quick one on getting unstuck. The question of how do I get unstuck? I'm too overwhelmed. Just too much drama in my life. There's just too much happening. I don't know, and I freeze. I'm stuck. What now? The answer to that is, of course, movement, but it's much easier said than done. So how do you create movement? What is this thing about creating movement? Movement is something that anything that's stuck, you can stay stuck and you can say, well, how do, and ask for help. The thing is, it needs to move, whether it's from outside help or whether it's from internal movement, but it is movement. And you create movement by actually applying habits, by literally getting out of your head, getting out of the drama, and literally creating a habit and the discipline and the focus to do something. You create a neural pathway that empowers you, regardless of what the challenging circumstances, regardless of what's going on around you, literally to just, and it's almost sacrosanct, that is the movement, that is the habit. It's an automated response that you create. Now, let's say you haven't created that and suddenly you're stuck. Well, there's no time to wait and say, well, it would be wonderful if you have created and you can just use it. But if you're stuck and you haven't created the habits and the movement, that's when you just have to do it. That's when you just have to put your big old panties on or your big boy trousers or whatever and literally just focus and get the discipline. That is the hard part. But that is as simple as it is. We can sugarcoat it and we can do all sorts of beautiful other therapies and all of that. The key is to create movement. The key is to create balance or empowerment for you. So here's the thing. So many things will say, oh, try this. This will literally create a rapid change. Rapid change is not rapid sustainability. Hear me out. Rapid change, even if it's from an outside intervention, is not rapid sustainability. You create sustainability by your habits, by your focus, by your discipline, by you just chopping wood, carrying water, falling off the bus, getting off the bus, doing it again and again and again. No excuses, no drama. Yes, it's going to be harder when you are stuck. Just a little room, 20 minutes a day of just doing something that creates movement. In fact, if it's physical movement, so much the better. Go for a run, go for a walk, regardless. Not to get your head clear, regardless. You don't even think about it. You do that every single day. You lay down the foundation of creating movement. And that is how you actually become less stuck even in the future. And when you do get stuck, you get out of it. We can be caught up in all the heart-centered, fluffy stuff. Right down. It's right down to the basics. Putting one foot in front of the others and doing what is required. That is real empowerment. So much love, so much love. In my workshop in Pretoria, we're specifically talking about how and where and the pitfalls applying these masculine traits in an environment where the feminine can hold it, where the feminine, we don't lose sight, we don't go into the disempowered illusion again, but we don't knock it either, we just do it. So much love to you, and if you are interested, just give me a shout and I will also link the details. Thanks guys, bye for now.